Hello everyone, welcome back to the Recycle Holic channel. Today, I found an old speaker and a broken fridge compressor in my storage room. Let's see what I can make out of these things. First, I'm going to split open the compressor casing to take out the coil inside. Let's check if the coil is still intact or if it's broken. As for the speaker, I'm going to take out the magnet. Next, let's secure the coil onto a solid wooden base and attach 2 magnets on each side, just like this. Find a piece of plastic, heat it up a bit, and bend it to make a stand for the motor. Check the size and cut it so it fits nicely and looks good. Drill some holes and mount the motor onto the stand. The motor I'm using here is a DC 775 motor. Attach a 21mm PVC pipe to extend the motor shaft. I'm going to take 2 small magnets from a broken DC motor and attach them to the shaft. Insert the motor shaft into the coil and screw it onto the support base to keep it in place. Connect the input and output for the product. So, can you guess what I'm making today? Let's check out the final result. Go ahead and drop a comment about how you think it works. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to support the channel.